There is big concerns. Michigan's childhood vaccination rates are at their lowest since 2011.
And in just a few hours, Michigan's top doctor will emphasize the importance of catching your kids up on vaccines before the school year starts. In 8 Michigan counties and in the city of Detroit, vaccination rates have fallen below 60%. That's according to the Michigan Care Improvement Registry.
7 Action News reporter Kira Hay is live with the troubling trends and what Michigan leaders are sounding the alarm on.
Conference is happening at 10 o'clock this morning, so of course we're going to break down all the key points for you later on 7 Action News. But they're having that because they are so concerned that not enough children have their shots, and it's a problem year round, but those feelings intensify as we head into the new school year.
I think it's important you make sure your child's had the recommended vaccines.
Michigan health officials strongly urging families to roll up their sleeves before heading to the classroom as a number of COVID cases creep up across the country.
I'd go a whole 12-hour shift without seeing any. And then in the last, 1 to 2 weeks, we see 3, 4, 5, 6 COVID positive cases coming in.
Chicago experiencing a 4% spike in cases in the last week. Dr. Dennis Cunningham predicts Michigan could be next.
I do think it will come here, probably not for another couple weeks.
The concerns over low child vaccination rates outreaching COVID, with the threat of measles and whooping coughs and even chicken pox making a comeback.
We're below what we call herd immunity. Herd immunity means there's enough people protected that even if there is a case, there's not enough people who would get it, that it would keep going on and on.
Today, Michigan's chief medical executive will be holding a press conference encouraging families to trust the vaccines, which is down in almost every age group. Right now, less than 70% of children aged 19 to 36 months have received all their recommended shots, and only 19% of people in our state are up to date on their COVID boosters.
When we go back in school, we know things start circulating. Kids really are good at sharing germs, and then they bring it home. And even though the kids may be healthy, they'll bring it home to mom, dad, grandma, grandpa.
Dr. Cunningham went on to tell me that sometime at the end of September, we can expect to see a reformulated COVID booster shot hit the market, and that will specifically target Omicron. An Omicron variant is that the rise in cases and hospitalizations that we're experiencing. It's not bad yet, but as he mentioned in that story, we could see a spike in the next few weeks. So it's something we have to keep our eye out on. Live in Royal Oak, I'm Kiera Hay, 7 Action News.
A lot to